Jack had reached a place, a jungle so deadly, every breath could be the last. This forest wasn't beautiful, it was hungry, hunting people. Death was everywhere, and Jack was alone. But the thought in his mind was insane. He didn't come to escape, he came to build a home, in a place where most people can't survive even one night. Jack decided to stay, and the one mistake he makes today will either make him a legend or bury him in this jungle forever. Jack chose that spot between two trees, like it was built for survival. But he didn't trust luck, he trusted work. He pulled out his cutter and walked straight into the jungle, not for food, not for rest, but to fight nature itself. He started cutting trees, one by one, until his arms were shaking. He dragged the logs back, and didn't stop even to breathe. First, he lifted his home off the ground, because in this jungle, the ground doesn't keep you safe, it buries you. Then he cut, joined, and raised 3 solid walls. Slowly, this wasn't a hut anymore, it was becoming a fortress. But Jack wasn't done. He went back, collected water, mud, grass, mixed them all, and covered the walls with his own hands, like he was building a palace. Every stroke was a promise to stay alive. Then he climbed up and built his roof with thick, wild grass, now his home. Didn't look weak, it looked untouchable. And then Jack stepped inside and created something no one ever had in this jungle. But the truth, this was just the beginning.